All right, guys, this is going to be the final video showing the remainder of the how to get a quote process with this new tool. We are really excited about this, and I hope you guys are too. Again, if you have any questions, you are welcome to reach out to me at any time. I'm always happy to help. So let's get this rolling. Okay, so we're going to go get an instant quote. And this is all turning, which is always a good sign. It's working on stuff. Okay, you're going to have your window pop up, and this is a 3D design of your mount. And you can orbit this around, take a look at it from different angles. You can see where all the rails are. You can zoom into it. If you want to take a look at, I don't know, say the beam clamps or anything like that. Just make sure that it looks the way that you want it. All right. And next, you're going to hit proceed to quote. And we like to see this down here. There will be a green line come across here showing that it's working on getting you that quote. And there we are. So this will be saved into your account. You can save it as a quote. I like to add it to my cart just because when you save it as a quote, there's no shipping options there. And I kind of like to get an idea on shipping. So if you add it to your cart, you can see that there. We have the project name up here as well as your price. And then we have a small description of the mount itself with your module dimensions, the configuration, how many poles, what size, and what spacing. Also lets you know about the rail and all the hardware that's there as well. You do have a link here that will take you back to the 3D model in case you want to go look at it again, or you're at the kitchen table with the customer and you want to show them. Then you can just go back to proceed to quote. You can also use your back button on the browser as well. So after you do that, you also have your SKU here. You can change your quantity here. You have that same description down here as well as another link back to the 3D model. And then in additional information, we have a little bit of info there as well as a link to save your SkySieve PDF. This is something I like to save to my computer or print out and let the customer take a look at that. That's a little bit more information, just all the things that we filled out in the design, total array dimensions, foundation depth, all of that information. You also have another link here, and that takes you back to the 3D model as well. So then you can just add that to your cart. Once you're in there, I've got a couple things in my cart, it looks like. Let's get rid of them. I'm going to just need one lifting bracket and one hoist since I only have one pole. I'm going to go ahead and update that. And then here is my final cart with all of my shipping options. So you can leave that there until you're ready to proceed to checkout. You can also go through all of this information. I always put the project name here in the order notes. And continue. Once you get to this final page, you have the option to save it as a quote here or place your order. So you have a couple different options where you're going to leave this off until you are ready to actually pull the trigger. If you have any questions, again, give us a shout. My name is Jamie. Have a good day.